Here are the most exhilarating PS5 games that delivers an amazing experience to all the players. If you are looking for the best PS5 games, you are certainly at the right place because finding the top titles on PS5 has now become challenging. But Gadinsider is here for your help, recommending you dozens of top PS5 games below that would never let you get bored and provide an amazing gaming experience. God of War Ragnarok. Every gaming enthusiast is familiar with God of War, as it's an extremely popular and intriguing PlayStation game. Sony Santa Monica's development team has recently done a great job and surpassed God of War 2018 and released a successful sequel of this game. This title jotted down great records because of the highly polished action-adventure game in which players would play as Kratos, a Greek demigod, and find out a shelter to protect his son Atreus from the wraith of the Norse pantheon. It's an impressive game, offering a remarkable experience on technical and gameplay levels as it consists of brutal combat which is appreciated by all gaming enthusiasts. Elden Ring. It is another intriguing game which was developed by Japanese studio From Software, which comes with multiple challenges which demand your protection from players. It entails a deep narrative, especially for the players who desire to unleash its mysteries. This game brings a high level of freedom, which allows players to venture off the beaten path, but also to create craft and upgrade a character. However, you would multiple crushes, but you would be able to relive and experience the joy of overcoming Elden Ring's toughest obstacles. Spider-Man 2. If you are a fan of the Spider-Man game, then Spider-Man 2 would be a remarkable sequel for you. It has experienced a few significant upgrades in contrast to its predecessor, including the ability to play as both Peter Park and Miles Morales, a host of fresh combat abilities, and more. This combat-based game delivers a highly intriguing experience to all gaming enthusiasts as it encompasses the expanded New York City, which never gets old. It is undoubtedly considered one of the best video games ever that would never let you get bored.